a group discussion with Amal on food safety and washing hands. Okay? So what do you think about that?
About food safety. Food safety is the important things of to describe food handling, propagation and to storage of the food in ways that foodborne illnesses. Food can be transmitted from a person to person as well as serves as the growth medium of the bacteria that can use of the food poisoning. So, and the good hand washing in the first line of the defense against the person of the spread of many illnesses. The best way to washing a hand is wash your hand in warm water with soap. And there are a lot of types to reduce the risk of the food. At home, there are wash hand properly, wash work tops, wash dishcloth, use separate shopping boards, store meat on the bottom shelf for refrigerator, and cook meat very well. That's it.
Very good.
Okay.
Would you like to ask us a question?
When should you wash your hands?
After you've been to the toilet. It's
Okay.
always the best time.
Yeah.
Or whenever you're going to handle food.
Okay. And why food safety is important?
For health reasons. People get sick. Food poisoning, like you said. Just stops bacteria going from one thing to another.
Okay.
And what about children?
It's very important to wash your hand after playing and after use bathroom and before eating, before cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If they're helping you cook, yes.
And before and after when visit a sick person.
Yes, that's a good point, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's why if you go to hospital to visit people,
Yeah.
you've got to use that lotion stuff.
Like squishy stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To try and stop her. Yeah, that's good. Excellent. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
That's the
you.
end.
See you.
She did really well.
Did.